I'm Todd Rakoff. I'm a professor at the Harvard Law School. I have been there since 1979. When judges decide cases, and at the law school we usually use the opinions of appellate courts, they write an opinion. That's the end of what in legal terms is a case, but we turned it into a piece of pedagogical apparatus, if you want to put it, by putting together a whole bunch of these opinions into a book, which we call a case book, which we then use with the students. Cases have always been used by practicing lawyers as a way of deciding what it is that the court's going to decide the next time by seeing what it is they decided on a similar case the last time they had. The idea of using it directly with students as the basic source for their teaching was the idea of Christopher Columbus Langdell, Dane Professor of Law at Harvard Law School around 1870. When he was a law student himself, and he had learned largely under the lecture method, he thought being lectured at didn't really teach him much, and the way he taught himself the law was by looking at the cases and discussing the cases with other students. So he had sort of convinced himself that this was a way to learn the law. I think he thought it was a very good way of engaging students. This was a way to get the students to speak up, to have to be prepared, to have ideas of their own.